Hey Jichua, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So today episode we got this cool mid right here, and basically what this is a foldable trampoline. You can see the one that we got right here is from a brand called BCAN, and this is their 38-inch trampoline. So for this brand actually makes a lot of other trampolines. So if you guys want like a bigger one or smaller one, you can definitely do your own research to see which one you prefer. But for the one that I got right here is the blue color. They do have this available in other colors as well, I believe in black and gray. So if you just want those instead, you can definitely do your research to see which one you prefer. But this is what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys take it out, this is what the product looks like. So when you guys carry the product, it definitely has a little bit of weight on here. It's not like super heavy, but let's take it out to see what's included in the bag. So inside they do provide you guys a small little box, and they provide you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set up. And they also provide you guys this option that's stretchable, so that way you can put it probably on the side of the product. And then right here we do have the actual trampoline. You can see it's all folded up. So I'm actually opening the user manual to see how to set it up, and we'll also open the box to show you guys what's included in the package. So it looks like inside the box they provide you guys the legs to actually hold up the trampoline. But let's take it all out. So there's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 legs. And also inside the bag that has a user manual, they provide you guys these accessories as well. But that is everything that's included in the package. Now let's start to set it up. So according to the user manual, they mention how you guys want to unfold it first. So when you guys open up, you definitely want to be careful. If you can see how the springs on here is actually really strong, so you definitely want to be careful when you guys do that. So once you guys are done using it, or if you guys don't put it away, you do have the option to fold it back up. So what you're going to do is put your feet on here. So just like this, and then pull it up. And that is how you guys fold it up. So when you guys do that, you want to be careful. If you guys do need help, ask someone for help to help you. But that is basically how you guys do fold it up. Once you guys do open up, they mention how you're going to set the frame pad right here. So the pad is stretchable, so you should be able to fit it. And if you look carefully on the frame pad, there are these holes that you want to insert into the legs. So I just move the pad around until it fits to that hole. So once you guys got to fit into each one of the holes for each one of the legs, this is what the bottom part looks like. And then here is basically what the other side looks like. So once you guys finish this step, what you're going to do next is set up the legs. So the way how you guys set up the legs is actually pretty simple. You guys want to unscrew each one of these. And you just want to screw each one of the legs on. And then it's all set. So I just want to do the same thing for all 6 of them. And one thing that I do notice for each one of the legs, they do have like a non-scratching material and non-slip material on the bottom. So that way when you guys do set it up and start using it, it shouldn't move around. Alright, so I just put in all 6 of the legs, and this is what the product looks like. And then once you guys do that, then it's all set. So flip it to the other side and we'll test it out to see how it works. So here is basically what the product looks like in the front. And here is the other side. Let's test it out to see how it works. So when you guys first use it, you probably don't want to step on it too hard because you want to get used to it first and see how stable it is. Because if this part is not stable enough or if it moves around, then you guys want to fix the different parts first. But you see right now when I'm just moving my leg up and down, it does work. And then probably when you guys use it, you guys want to make sure you guys are using it in an open area. Because if you guys have a low ceiling, then you might hit the top. So for example, if I jump right here, I can touch the ceiling. So if you guys do have a low ceiling, you don't want to jump too hard or too high. Let me actually raise the camera a little bit higher to show you guys what I mean. So if I would jump on here, you can see how it actually does work. And I don't want to jump too high like I mentioned because the ceiling is right here. I can touch it. But you can see when you guys do use the product, it definitely does work. And if you guys notice when we're using it, it's actually pretty quiet. And if you guys are curious about what is the maximum capacity that's on here, it's 300 pounds. So as long as you guys are under that weight limit, then you should be fine. And in terms of the fabric or the material that's on here, they mentioned how it's actually tear resistant and it is waterproof. So if you guys get water on here, it should be fine. And that way actually makes it a lot easier for you guys to clean the product if you guys do need to. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing the product. Now the end question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. If you guys are in the market looking for a foldable trampoline that you can put underneath like your bed, your sofa, or anywhere else to save space, that I do have to say that it's worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.